Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carol and this is Sweet Generous Makeup. Today I wanted to play around with a little bit of color and I decided to use this blue color right here that I have on my lids. That's the blue in the Desi x Katy palette with Dose of Colors, and it's this shade right here. And this is how it came out. This is how it looks on the lids. I also incorporated the Milk Cosmetics Lovesick stack, and I used the color Promiscuous off of that stack, which is the color that I have on my lower lash line. I hope you guys can see that. And I also used a few shadows from this Morphe palette that I had for a couple of years now. It's the 35N palette. Another thing that I wanted to try today for the very first time is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Freshwear foundation. Everyone's been raving about it and I just tried it on and so far so good. I like how it looks. I like how it feels on my face. Everything is fine so far. I will let you guys know on social media how it's going. If you guys are interested in finding out how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay guys, so taking this shade and the Morphe M511 brush, I'm going to apply this as my transition shade right above my crease. Next, taking this shade and the MAC 217 brush, I'm going to deepen the crease with this shade. Picking up the blue foil shade from the Desi x Katy Dose of Colors palette, I am applying that with my finger all over my lid. Picking up this brown shade with the Morphe M506 brush, I am going to apply that directly into the crease, blending out the edges of that blue shade and also blending it in with the brown shadow that I had previously applied. With this Morphe M124 brush, I am going to take that blue shade once again, but this time I am going to wet it with a setting spray and I'm going to reapply that on the lid just so that it can give it a little bit more oomph. As you can see, it looks a lot brighter and a whole lot more opaque, and that's exactly what I wanted to go for. Picking up these two beautiful shades from the Desi x Katy palette, I am going to deepen that crease even more and just really smoke it out. Taking the Tarteist Double Take Liner, I am going to line my eyes. This time I'm just going to do a really small wing, nothing too dramatic. Now for the first time, I'm going to try the L'Oreal Infallible Freshwear 24-Hour Foundation with that Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to just apply that all over my face. This is my first time using both the foundation and the brush, and I actually like how it turned out. It laid it out really well. The coverage was pretty good. I didn't have to use too much product. It worked really, really good. Taking the Morphe EA brush and this 9FW cream palette, I am going to contour my cheeks with this. Now, I'm really going to blend that out, and it may seem like I'm overdoing it, I'm bringing it a little bit too low, But later on, I am going to correct that with my concealer. And I'm going to go in with the Tarte Creamy Concealer in Medium Sand. And I'm going to correct my under eyes. And I'm also going to use that concealer to clean up the contour a little bit more. And with the help of the Morphe Beauty Blender and that same brush that I used to apply the contour, I'm going to blend in both the highlight shade and the contour shade so that we can get a nice flawless blend. Picking up this Maybelline Last Drama Gel Pencil in Polished Amethyst, and I am going to line my waterline with this. And I'm going to take the Smith Cosmetics 212 brush, and I'm going to blend that out. Taking the Milk Cosmetics Lovesick Stack and the shade Promiscuous, I'm going to take the Morphe E18 brush and I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line right over that purple gel liner that I just applied. Just gonna apply a coat of the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Since I had such a bold eye makeup look, I wanted to go with softer lashes, so I went with the House of Lashes in Serene Lite. Picking up the Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder in Light and the Morphe M530, I am going to contour my cheeks and also my forehead. With this Milk Cosmetics highlighter in Stargazer, I am going to take the Morphe M510 brush and I am going to highlight the highest points of my cheeks. Also right above my brows and the bridge of my nose. Picking up this detail brush, the Morphe E36, I am going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Taking this beautiful blush from theBalm Cosmetics in the shade Houndstooth and the Smith 112 brush, I am going to apply blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now you see that I went a little bit overboard with the blush, so what I'm going to do is pick up the foundation brush and I'm just going to pat a little bit of the foundation, the leftover foundation, over my cheeks. I went with the colored Raine liquid lipstick in the shade Mars. And then I went over it with this Gerard Cosmetics Nude Lip Gloss. And that's all, guys. That's how I achieved this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, ciao. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and follow me on all my social media. Sway Generous Makeup on Instagram and Facebook.